So here is the first thing we do with the shoulder adjustment. You got to realign the joint. So I'm going to demonstrate 2 shoulder adjustments. The first one is to correct an anterior-inferior shoulder adjustment. So I'm going to get Miguel's shoulder right here. So the humerus, the shoulder, drops millimeters anterior and inferior. So down and a little bit forward. So adjustment, I'm coming here. I'm going to do an impulse, right? That moved pretty well.
Yes, that was good.
That was pretty loud too.
Oh, yeah.
The other type of adjustment, I call it the chicken wing. You're going to pop the shoulder back like this. I'm going to stabilize the elbow on the back, my hand in the front. I'm going to instruct Miguel to quickly pop his shoulder back. On the count of 3, I'm going to have him move this. 1, 2, 3, go.
Nice.